Hello everyone, I am Jay Pravalika from CSCD bearing roll number 21BQ 18050, and today I am going to explain about the JSP. First of all, what JSP implicit objects, and first of all we have to know what is a JSP. A JSP is a Java server page which we write the code of the JSP in HTML tags. In JSP there are different types of implicit objects. There are 9 JSP implicit objects, and these objects are created by the web container that are available to all the JSP pages. The available implicit objects are out, request, config, session, application, etc. Following are the JSP implicit objects. Out. This out object is present in JSP writer type, and request in HTTP servlet request, response in HTTP servlet response, and config in servlet config, application in servlet context, session in HTTP section, page context in page context, and page in object, exception in throwable. These are the 9 types of implicit objects present in JSP. Let's discuss about one by one briefly. So JSP out implicit object. Okay, what is the benefit of out in JSP? So we all know that in C we use println. So in Java we use system.out.println to for the user to view the data outside. So outside world can be seen the data in our computer by using the println and system.out.println in various languages. So in JSP the same thing will be happen by using the out. The out implicit object is used to view the data to the outside world. So for writing any data to the buffer, JSP provides an implicit object named out. It is a share of and it is an object of JSP writer. In case of servlet, you need to write like the following. So print writer out is equals to response.getWriter. But in JSP, you don't need to write this code. So following is the one. So in HTML tags, we are seeing that percentage symbol is used. So that is the percentage symbol used in HTML tag means that is the JSP code. So out.print of today is, and we are passing the that package as the input. So out.print of today is, so we will get the current date of the today. So we are using out as an output to see the output in the window. So like we can see today is Friday September, so that is the thing what we'll get as the output. Following, and the following is the JSP request implicit object, and the JSP request is an implicit object of type HTTP servlet request that is created for each JSP request by the web container. It can be used to get information, request information such as parameter, header information, remote address, server name, server port, content type, character encoding, etc. It can also be used to get set and remove attributes from the JSP request scope. Let's see the simple example of request implicit object where we are printing the name of the user with welcome message. So in the index.html we are getting the action is equals to welcome.jsp. So this will be redirected to the welcome page. So in this we are giving input type is equals to text and name is uname, and input type is equals to submit, value is equal to go. So the following JSP code of the welcome.jsp, string name is equals to request.get parameter of uname. So the name what we will give in the index will be seen in the welcome.jsp with the message welcome name. So welcome plus the name given by the user will be seen as the output. So following is the output. This is the index page. So we are giving username as an input, so Sono Jaiswal. So and we are giving the, and we have given the submit button go. When you press that, you will be redirected to the another page welcome.jsp where you can see welcome plus the name you have given is above Sono Jaiswal. This is the output. And the third one is JSP response implicit object. In JSP response is an implicit object of type HTTP servlet response. The instance of HTTP servlet response is created by the web container for each JSP request. It can be used to add or manipulate response such as redirect a response to another resource, send error, etc. Let's see the example of response implicit objects where we are redirecting the response to the Google. So example of response implicit object is form action is equals to welcome.jsp, input type is equals to test, and the name will be given by the user. Input type is equals to submit, value is equals to go. Whenever you given this, so the response will be added and it will be redirected to http www.google.com. So it will be directed to Google. So let's see output. So whenever you have given the username, and you will be redirected to the Google server. This is about the implicit JSP implicit object. Thank you.